Assalamualaikum and good morning, good afternoon, or good night to everyone who watching this. And let me intro myself. And I'm Muhammad Farah Haikal. I'm from class DJA 3A, and today I want to explain some basic tools in Unity. Number one is game view and scene view. Number two is game object and component. Number three, transform manipulation. Number four, hierarchy. Number five, inspector customization. And number six, material and shader. First, we go to number one, game scene and game view and scene view. What is scene view and game view? If you can see, this is a scene view. You can edit what you create. Later you will know. And scene view ni to you edit your game, play with camera, play with object, playing with anything you want, is all in scene view. What is game view? Game view is place to your look how your game work. Scene game view you cannot edit. You must edit at the scene view. In game view you cannot edit because of what? I will explain later. Okay, this is number one. Number two is game object and component. How to create some object like cylinder, like box. First, you must to go here, and you need to right click, and this you need to choose 3D object, and you will come with some cube, sphere, capsule, cylinder, plane, or quad, or anything like terrain, tree, wine zone. For example, we choose cube, and this it will come with cube. You can choose anything or yang lain, like spare. It will out with spare. Yeah, this. Number three, I will explain to you what is transform manipulation. Transform manipulation is here. You can view tool, you can move tool, you can rotate tool, you can scale tool, you can rect tool, and you can transform tool. And the last, edit boundary volume. I will show you some example. Like move tool, you can move to right, left or right, up and down, or depan and belakang. Sorry, I forget in English. Second, you can rotate right, you can rotate left, you can rotate up, and you can rotate down, or do anything you want to do. And scale, you can scale up or down, right or left, or all scale. You want to big or small. Number four is hierarchy. What is hierarchy? Hierarchy is all object you have in game, it will come here, it will come out here. For example, it's cube and it's cube. If you choose main camera, will out with main camera. Direction light and cube. For example, we choose one 3D object, spare. Will come out with spare, and you can you can adjust the name. Like if you want to put number 1 and you enter, and here it will come with number 1, not spare anymore. Number 5, what is inspector customization? We know what is job scope on inspector in police. Inspector in police, you need to research. You can search, you can do anything. What do you want for the case? It's a right example in here. You can choose cube, and you can do anything what you want to do in inspector. Is the right here. For example, you can change the name. You can change the position. You can play with lighting. You can do anything. What do you want in here? In inspector. And you can edit size in here if you don't want to use the customized manipulation. You can do here. And how about material? We cannot edit material in here. If you choose edit material, you will out with this. It will not come with we can change color or anything. But don't worry. Don't worry, because if you want to replace the material, you need to go here. And you right click and choose create. You choose create and material. You can choose color what you want. For example, we'll go with red. And if you want to do anything like you want to choose, I choose metallic alpha, and you hold this and drag to your object, and it will come with red color. And shader, this shader is standard. If you choose Autodesk interaction, you will play with your shadow. But I don't explore too much. I will still learning. If I know, I will to tell you. But we choose standard already. And before I end my basic tools in Unity, I want to remember you all one thing. If you start the game and you change anything in scene view with your play the game is here, right here. you play. If you play and do some you do some you do some movement and you go to right or left, it will be useless, because if you end the game, it will be back to the first. It will be like before you want it, before you edit. So if you want to move your object, please end your game end your game test. I'm Muhammad Farah Ekal, and this is my some basic thing in Unity. I will see you guys in part 2. Okay, bye.